A warm welcome to all of the viewers and honorable judges to our poster on COVID-19, anosmia, the early indicator. As you all know, the outbreak of the virus has affected everyone around us. It has not only disrupted the global health situation, but also destabilized the world's economy. There are many symptoms associated with the virus, which include fever, cough, fatigue, and many others. One of the main neurological symptoms is the loss of smell, which basically means anosmia, and it is one of the earliest and most common indicator of COVID. And today we are going to focus on how anosmia occurs and how to detect it.
Alright, now let us see on how this virus affects our sense of smell. When we are breathing without any barrier present, virus from the atmosphere enters through our nose. It then reaches the olfactory bulb present at the top end of the nose. The olfactory bulb contains olfactory neurons, also known as smell receptors, as well as supporting cells. Olfactory neurons do not have any receptors which aid the entry of virus inside them, although the supporting cells do contain genes known as ACE2 and TMPRSS2 which code for the receptors. So now the virus enters the supporting cells. This way, olfactory neurons are indirectly affected and may not be able to respond to any smell signal received, causing loss of sense of smell temporarily.
Now let's look at the survey. Researches have been carried out by scientists and data was collected from 74 positive COVID patients, among which 31 were females and 43 were males. Results showed that 14.8% of them had symptoms of anosmia. After further researches, it was found that COVID patients were more likely to have loss of smell than any other symptom.
The jelly bean test. This test is a quick way on how we can detect our sense of smell. Go to your local store and get yourself a pack of jelly beans. Take a jelly bean in one hand and from the other hand hold your nose tightly. Enter the jelly bean in your mouth and start chewing it. While you're chewing, release your hand from your nose and immediately you'll give a wow-like response. For example, wow, that's a lemon-smelling jelly bean. This is the positive result for the jelly bean test, and it ensures that your smelling sense is working perfectly. Finally, in extreme and rare cases, the virus can enter our nervous system and reach up to our brain, causing serious long-term psychological consequences and disorders. Studies and research shows us that one of the main consequences is the Parkinson's disease. My name is Saleha Fatima, and with my partner Shaza Kashif, we have prepared this poster to make you aware of this important symptom known as anosmia, and we really hope we were able to convey our message. A very big thanks from us, and we wish you best of health and safety.